One of the great things about setting up a custom workspace or workspaces in Illustrator and Photoshop and any Adobe app is that you can constantly modify them and resave and update your custom workspace, and I'll show you how to do that. But right now, just because I'm not sure if maybe you quit Illustrator, tried something different, and then all of a sudden you've lost this setup I showed you in the new avatar quest, I'm going to go ahead, go to Essentials, and reset Essentials. So we're back to the way that Illustrator launches in the Essentials workspace. And for what we're doing right now, it is the best workspace to be in. So for right now, what we want to do is customize this. Now I'm going to grab the Library tab. And libraries are great, but we're not really going to use them right now, so I'm going to close that. In the future, we'll be using libraries, but right now, not so much. Properties is great, and I've got an idea. I may be moving this because, hey, it's an experiment, right? I'm going to take the Layers panel out, but I'm not going to dump this anywhere. I'm going to move this just like I did in the last quest. I'm going to move it down. See where my cursor gets low and that blue line appears? That blue line means, hey, I'm going to add this, this panel to the bottom of this. If I took the layers and pulled it up here and the blue line appeared at the top, it would be at the top. But I want it at the bottom. Not because it's less important, because I can resize it here to fit what I need. And the last thing we set up in that last one was we brought the control bar back. And that's under, everything's under Window for panels. Remember, in the Finder, a window is a window, but in Adobe apps, a window is a panel. So the application frame, the application bar, that's the bar. This whole thing is the frame. The control is another little panel that sits here horizontally. Now, you might say, well, the Properties panel does what this used to do, and that's why the control panel is not really here. But the Properties panel takes up a lot of room, and a lot of the features are hidden behind ellipses. If I select something, see these little ellipses, these three dots? That means I have to click on this to say, hey, what the heck is there? Oh, the Appearance panel is there. Well, I'm not so sure. I want the Appearance panel hidden behind those. I'd rather have the Appearance panel where I can reach it. And see what this is? You know, what is this? Is this the Transform panel? It certainly looks like it. But we're going to load that as well. So that's why, hey, look, we have some of those same settings here. So the idea is we need to set up a custom workspace, and this, what we have right now, is a good place to start. So why not come up to where it says Essentials and say, not Reset, say New Workspace. Now, I already have my own, but I want to set up a new workspace. You can call yours what you want. I'm going to call this Demo because I'm going to use it for demo purposes from this point forward. And that way, anytime I want to work and I want to be in my workspace, I can get to here and can do what I need to do. And then when I need to talk to you about the demo workspace, well, I can switch to it and I'm back to where we are right now. I want to come back in another video and show you a few more things.